Today we're going to be looking at the oscillating tower fan unboxing. And so here's the box. It's comes a little bit under my chest. Here's all the components. So we're going to do the assembly process. You have to assemble the bottom part so it stands. Next, we're going to go through several of the settings. So first we have the on-off switch, the speed selector, there's 3 speeds, the timer, the wind, there's 2 selections, and the swing for the unit to oscillate. Here's the remote, and so pretty much you have all the same settings and just a remote setting. Lastly, we're just going to do some tests. And as you can tell, the fan does very well at pushing out air throughout the whole unit. And it's easy to oscillate and swing. Hope this video is informative in your buying decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.